Myth number 1, speak more to show authority. Talking too much kills power. A 2022 Harvard study showed concise speakers are intelligent leaders or perceived as intelligent leaders. Leaders do not fill the room, they frame it. Tip 1, speak less, say more, use concise, structured sentences. Myth number 2, dress sharp is equal to present. Looks help, but your energy matters more. Princeton research shows how people judge your trustworthiness in just 100 milliseconds based on your tone, posture, and face. Tip number 2, do not just dress sharp, stand tall, breathe deep, lead with your eyes. Myth number 3, fake it till you make it. Faking confidence fuels imposter syndrome. What works? Preparation, presence, and nervous system control. Tip number 3, reframe your fear. Ask yourself, what does success look like? Instead of, what if I mess up? Myth number 4, emotions are weakness. Slack leaders are forgettable. Control emotions is what helps leaders build trust and moves people. Tip number 4, use tone, pause, and contrast to show warmth plus conviction. Myth number 5, introverts cannot have presence. Introverts win when they own their silence and speak with purpose. Tip number 5, breathe, own pauses, speak with purpose, not volume. Myth number 6, experience is equal to presence. You can have 20 years of experience but still be invisible. Let me tell you a story about my client, Natasha. 20 years of experience but still overlooked. We just changed one thing in her. We changed how she entered the room. And in just 3 months, her leaders were asking for input. Tip number 6, enter every room with intention. Command attention before speaking. Watch till the end. Myth number 9 will completely change the way you handle meeting. But first, myth number 7, use big words to sound smart. Big words is equal to small trust. A scientist said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Tip number 7, use simple, clear language. Make your message land. Myth number 8, be authentic at all costs. Unfiltered authenticity can backfire. Leaders are authentic but intentional. Tip number 8, ask what energy I am creating in the room. Myth number 9, body language is equal to presence. Body language helps, but it is just one piece. Your voice, your tone, your posture sends a deeper signal. Tip number 9, record yourself, watch it back. Fixing your tone can double your presence. Myth number 10, great slides is equal to great impact. You are not your slides, your presence is your message. Tip number 10, do not hide behind the deck. Speak to people, use your voice to lead the room. Myth number 11, being right is equal to being respected. One of my clients lost a big assignment because she could not admit her mistake. Leaders grow trust by how they handle mistakes. Tip number 11, try. You are right, I missed that, let's improve it. That is leadership presence in action. Still with me, you are ahead of 90% of the professionals. Most never learn this. Now here's the part where most people miss entirely. Myth number 12, presence means always being confident. Even the best leaders feel doubt. Presence is not perfection, it's regulation. Tip number 12, ritualize confidence. Breathe deep, visualize success, enter calm. Myth number 13, executive presence cannot be learned. This is the most dangerous lie. Presence is not a gift, it's a skill and it is trainable. Tip number 13, watch yourself on video, improve one signal every week. Executive presence is not about dominating the room. It's about transmitting calm, clarity and conviction even in chaos. You don't need to be louder, you need to be intentional. My challenge to you this week, do not try to impress, try this instead. Say just one sentence with power, listen like the room depends on it, pause before speaking. Do this for 5 days and feel the shift. Comment below, which of these 13 myths hits you the hardest. This is Sumit, signing off now, and I'll see you in the next video.